Everybody, today is going to be choice day for a workout. All right, so you're gonna have the choice between a cardio workout or a strength training workout. It's totally up to you, whichever you choose, but make sure you do the discussion post at the end after you do the workout for your exit ticket. All right, so watching the video here, perfect. Choose which of the two workouts you want to complete. So choice one is gonna be cardio, choice two is gonna be a strength training workout. For cardio, you can choose which method you want to do. So if you want to run outside, bike inside, run stairs, up to you. The method is your choice. But what's not going to be your choice is the pace. So you're going to do this 2 minute, 2 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute, 3 rounds of it. Okay? So first 2 minutes is going to be easy. So it's just a nice loose warm up. Okay? Get those muscles flowing, get the blood flowing, and then after 2 minutes, you're going to turn it up a notch and you're going to go to a medium level. Then after 2 minutes, you're going to go hard, and then at 1 minute expert. So expert should be all out, no energy left after that 1 minute. Okay, so you're going to go all the way through that and complete that 3 times. If you want to do the strength training workout, what you see here, exercise 1, 2, 3, and 4, that is considered 1 round. So your goal is going to be how many rounds can you get in 20 minutes. So this is supposed to be like a burnout workout. So the exercises aren't going to be any weight or anything, but it's a lot of reps. And if you're going through it at a good pace, you should get pretty fatigued. So you're going to do 25 bodyweight squats, 20 push-ups, 20 leg raises, and 20 tricep dips. You can rest as much as you want, but know that your goal is to get through as many rounds as possible. Okay, after you've done that, for your exit ticket, you're going to answer the questions in the discussion post here about your workout. Get that done by midnight tonight.